Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and today I'm bringing you this awesome glitter look, and I will be using some of my products in this look. So you guys stay tuned, relax, and enjoy this video. You guys know the drill. Just subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. You can also like these videos. So as you guys can see, I did my brows already, and so I'm just gonna go infusing the concealer and the setting powder. I'm gonna be using Limit as my first transitioning color. And then I'm going to go into my palette and use this color there, and I'm going to apply it right on top of my transitioning color. So both of these colors will set the pace for a more smoother application. So I'm going to go into my crease area now, and I'm going to be using the 35B palette by Morphe. I'm using these three purple shades, and I'm going to bring this color out a bit. I'm not giving it a halo look, just bringing it out a bit more. So one tip, when you're applying multiple eyeshadows, you need to go back and forth, reapplying and smoothing out each of the colors so you get that nice, smooth, seamless look that you're trying to attain. Right now, I'm cutting my crease area and I'm taking it all the way out, and I'm tidying it up a bit right here. And afterwards, I will be setting it with some setting powder to apply my last color. So I'm just going to go in and just redo the colors that I lost right here. And I'm applying the blue from out of the palette. And this is the last color that I'm going to apply. And then I will be using my glitter on top of that. And as always, all of the colors and products that I use will be listed in the description box below. So please do not fail or hesitate to go and check it out. I will be applying the glitter onto the entire eyelid where the blue is. I forgot to mention that I am using the NYX glitter gel. And for the sake of time, and because this video is just focusing on the lips and the eyes, I went ahead and I did my shadows already. And here I just showed you guys my highlighter, and this is Bronzy. It's from my collection also. This is just absolutely gorgeous, and as you can see, I'm applying it right on my cheeks there, and it's giving it that ooh wow glow. Yes. So I am applying bronzing to all of the high areas on my face. So I'm just brushing away all of the banana setting powder that I have, and then I am applying that same blue under my lower liner. And I also applied some of the white NYX pencil. Here I'm using Max Chestnut, and I'm lining my lips with this. I'm going to apply my liquid lipstick, and it's in Bahama Mama. You can go to my website and you will find this there. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It is matte, and you would love this, especially for this time of the year. Just look at that, girl. You do not have to fix your lips like that, but you guys can understand. In preparation for that liquid lipstick, I'm using the chestnut like I said earlier, and I'm overlining my lip area because as you can see, I have very tiny lips. So this makes my lips look much plumper and fuller. When everybody asks if I had my lips done, this is the trick that I do. I overline very carefully, and I just put more emphasis on my cupid's bow. So here I'm applying the liquid lipstick, and I'm telling you guys, these lipstick or this collection is so smooth. They apply very well. Like I said, you can go out and check them at the website, and make your purchase because you will be 100% satisfied. I just love them. This is just one of many reviews I will be doing with my liquid lipsticks, and then I have the metallics, and then I have my own lip glosses that I made. So you will be having a lot of stuff come from me, guys. Just stay tuned. And that's the finished look for this lipstick. It's so smooth. Just check it out. Yeah. And as you can see, the cupid spout is very defined. So finishing off this look, I'm just going to go with my MAC Studio Fix. It's in NC45. Yes, it's my favorite. I've been using it for years. And that's the finished product. Look how gorgeous those lips are, those eyes, and that highlighter. Bam. So just to reiterate the products that I'm highlighting here, this is the matte liquid lipstick, and it's Bahama Mama. I gave it that name, and it's like 15 ml, and it's clear bottle with that rose gold top. And I'm also highlighting my highlighter, and this is in Bronzy. I have two in this collection. One is glitzy and one is Bronzy, but the one that I'm using here now is Bronzy. Oh, and wait, I have another twist to this video, these lips rather. This is my gloss, and it's in Purity, that's the name. I'm just gonna apply this over the matte. In case you don't want to wear it matte, you can just use this gloss over it and give it that nice shine. You can also shop this at my website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos by me. I have a lot of things coming for you guys. So I thank you guys for watching another video of my entrepreneurship, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. So bye-bye, guys. Until next time.